Buying fuel in Italy is different than the US. NATO Forces Fuel Cards are used instead of cash or personal debit cards to buy vehicle fuel or oil on the economy. There are no gas stations on military installations in Italy. Fuel card prices exclude Italian taxes, reducing fuel costs by 40%. Fuel cards are authorized for only one primary SETAF registered vehicle. Visit the AFI's customer service desk in the PX with your vehicle registration to request your fuel card. The number of liters you are able to purchase each month depends on your vehicle's engine size. Fuel cards are accepted at only two Italian gas stations, AGIP and ENI. If your vehicle takes unleaded gas, only use green super pumps. Don't use Super S or Super Plus, otherwise you'll have to pay out of pocket for fuel. Here are some fuel pump terms you'll see in Italy.
Also, don't forget to check out the U.S. Army Garrison Italy PCS Guide, your essential companion to a smooth transition.